I wanted to show you a brief video on the Lagmaster Plus tool, the working end in particular, to show you why this is our best-selling eye-lag pole. I'm certain you're familiar with an eye-lag pole for putting eye-lags into metal roof deck or to wood. So the Lagmaster Plus comes with that head installed, but what makes this nice is you get this nice little kit that includes plugs for other applications. For instance, by loosening these two screws, pulling this plug out, putting this plug in, you can install SAMI screws into wood from the floor with the threaded rod attached. You notice it's hollow there, so we could actually put 3/8 threaded rod on there and install that SAMI screw. We also have a rope thread plug for something like a sander or perhaps a paint roller, light bulb changer, what have you. We have a plug for the Stiffy Potter actuated tool. Now you have a gun on the end of a telescopic pole, which is very useful. And there's other things as well too, like a socket adapter that you might find useful. These come with the Lagmaster Plus. There's other plugs available too, and these plugs are all available a la carte on our site as well. So we're going to be following up with a series on a breakdown of each one of these plugs and the other plugs available for the Lagmaster Plus, including this base that you can buy to convert your standard eye-lag pole into a Lagmaster Plus. So you can find the Lagmaster Plus parts, accessories online at constructionfastening.net.